Days before her Coachella performance, FKA Twigs announced that she had to not only cancel her performance, but cancel the rest of her North American tours. That's right, no Coachella, no tour dates. Lots of disappointed fans, lost revenue, and I'm sure this was a six-figure catastrophe. Now, this is not the first time I've seen something like this happen. And when you hear things like this happen, you may think maybe not enough ticket sales, maybe technical production issues, maybe personal issues. But in this case, that simply wasn't the case. Now, she reported that this was due to visa issues. And in my opinion, this is something that is 100% preventable, with the right strategy, of course. Hi, my name is Obi, and I'm an immigration attorney for ambitious professionals, creatives, and their families. And I work with them to secure their legal status in the United States through visas or green cards. So let's get into it. Now, she mentioned that her team did not submit the paperwork on time. And so, of course, this led to visa issues, most likely a denial, and her not being able to enter the United States. It happens all the time. Not having a solid immigration strategy can derail your ability to get into the United States. That means no performance, that means no events, and it doesn't matter who you are or how big of a star you are. The law stays the same for everyone. Now, here's how you can prevent this happening for you, because I've seen this happen time and time again with artists, entertainers, creatives, groups. A poor visa strategy can affect your ability to enter the United States and affect your ability to make money. What a lot of people don't understand is that U.S. immigration system, and especially the artist visa system, is complex. Constant changes, which means delays, which means denials. It is important for you to develop a strategy that helps you get what you want, that does not impact your business and prevents you from being able to enter the United States. Now, I help creators and international professionals stay in motion. No what ifs, no disasters, no canceled events or brand campaigns. They are able to keep moving. And how do I do this? Number one, your immigration strategy. Start on time. And by on time, I don't mean 2 weeks or 3 weeks before your event or campaign or launch is supposed to happen. I'm talking about months. And in some cases, I might say a year if I think, given the type of visa is, that more time is needed. Start on time. Number two, make sure that your team is working with a professional, someone who understands this visa, the requirements, what immigration is looking for to approve an application, and let them be your guide. Now, leaving this to your team where they may make the mistake and incorrectly assume that immigration law is just paperwork will leave you in a bind. I've seen it happen time and time again. People think, hey, I'm going to fill out the forms, give them a couple of documents, let them know when the tour dates are, and that's all we need. It's never that simple. So work with a professional who can give you the guidance so that you and your team are able to focus on what's important and make sure that you're preparing for your upcoming event. Number three, have contingency plans, okay? Time may be of the essence, but if your visa is not approved on time, do you have backup dates? Do you have a backup plan, okay? Because when there are disruptions to your events, to your campaign, to your tours, to your events, it's not just disappointed fans, it's a loss in revenue. It's potentially breaches of contract. You want to make sure that your strategy includes these contingencies and accounts for them. Now, if you are someone who is possibly planning an event, a tour, a launch, or some sort of campaign strategy here in the United States, and you know that your visa is critical to you being able to enter the United States, start now. Click the link in my bio and book a one-to-one strategy session so that we can get you on your way and we are not having to tell the story of what if down the line.